Stop wasting hours on silent YAML failures and wrong file placements. Let me build your VS Code agent customizations perfectly in seconds. This skill creates, updates, reviews, or fixes VS Code agent customization files, like instructions, prompts, and agents. It works by first asking if you want workspace or user-level scope, then selecting the right primitive type. It builds the file with correct YAML front matter and validates everything automatically. Before, you'd manually research folder structure and syntax, often making errors. After, Claude interviews you, creates the file perfectly, and validates it. No more silent failures or misplaced files. Follow for daily skill breakdowns.